Hello everyone, in this video we will be learning typography by building a nutrition facts label. Let's get started. We provided a basic HTML boilerplate, so we're going to create an H1 element within the body element and give it the text nutrition facts. We will then add a P element below that with the text 8 servings per container. We will add a second P element with the text serving size 2/3 cup, 55 grams. Within your head element, add a link element with the REL attribute set to style sheet and the href attribute set to list, which I copy and pasted. Also add a link element to link your style CSS file. So we're still going to have the REL set to style sheet. Like that. In step 5, create a body selector and give it a font family set to Open Sans, the fallback of sans serif. We need to add a comma there. And that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.